Okay. Good evening to all. Good evening and welcome to this session. Good evening, Renuka Srinivasa ma'am and Bharat Rao sir. Good evening, and Raghu Reshma hi, and Satapan hi. Dharani Kumar. Good evening. Prasanna hi, and Kyaneswaran hi. Aki hi, and Nidhi Singhal. Good evening. Vaibhav hello, and Dharani good evening. Good evening to all. Good evening. Sathikala, good evening. Hello and everyone, good evening to all. Yesterday, yesterday we have some important. Okay, yes, fine. Yeah, good evening, Sharmila and Ramlu, hi, and Priya Bhavani, good evening. Nagendra Kumar, good evening. Raunak Agasatya, good evening to all. So yesterday some unnecessary things we cannot okay. So yesterday some unnecessary things, then only we can't do that yesterday live. So today we can continue the session. So already we are all completed that basics, right? So what is Power in first day we are completed what is that? Introduction of Power BI and installation, and also in Python software. What is the basics thing? So these are all this covered in the day 1 and 2 first 2 days live, right? So today we are continuing that in Python data structures. So in today we can complete the Python basics. In tomorrow session we are followed by that visualization concept. Okay. Okay, so already the time is, wait a second, the time is 6:03, so we can't don't waste time. So we are entering the topic. Okay. So today we are seeing about Python data structures. So what are the data structures? There is most commonly 4 kind of data structure we can follow in this Python software. So one is a list, tuple, set, and also dictionary. Okay, there are 4 kind of important data structures there. So in this particular today's session we will one by one what is list. So what is the list and what are the methods in what is tuple and what is set and what is dictionary. One by one we will see with the examples. Okay, so kindly listen. Okay, so first we are starting with a list. So list is a collection of items enclosed in a square bracket. Okay, so list is an order and accept all kind of data types, and list is a mutable and it can modified and also created. So what is the meaning of this? Means how the strings is wait a second. So how can we said string like one particular text is called as a string? So the particular symbol, that is quotation, we enclosed with a text as a quotation, that particular word is a string, right? The collection of character is called as a string. Same like that, a collection of item or collection of words is called as a list, tuple, set, and also dictionary. Okay, do you understand what I try to say? Like collection of character is called as a string, collection of words or collection of items is called as a list, tuple, and also set, dictionary. Yeah, exactly, similar to array. Yeah, right. But Riyaz Ahmed, array isn't full and full contains numbers. Okay, so but the list tuple is full and full contains like a text, text words, strings only. Okay, so compared to that, similar to array. That's right. Okay, so first list is in collection of item enclosed within square bracket. So these kind of 4 data structures differed by this brackets. So this the square bracket is only used within list and followed by the array. So the NumPy array is one of the concept, is an machine learning library, the important machine learning library. So in that particular library also we using in this same square bracket. So list is also contains the same square bracket. Okay, and list is an order. So which kind of order we can maintain in as a input, that same order will be maintained in our output also. Okay, for example, do you see that the example is that, so some kind of fruits is like apple, mango, banana. So three kind of fruits is created like this. So if I give an input like this format, so automatically same output will be followed to my result. Okay, so that is the thing. And a list is an order and accept all data types. So if anyone try to answer, so before previous session we will see some kind of data types, right? So what are the data types are there? So anyone tell? So what are the data types? If anyone listening, you can definitely answer to this question. So my question is, what are the data types name? So whatever you know, you said. Yeah, numbers, yeah, string. Sorry, your numbers is yeah, integer, super, yeah, super. Boolean, float, yeah, right. Number, string, yeah, super. Thank you all. Thank you for your response. Integer, float, complex, integer, super. Thank you all. Thank you for your response. So these kind of all data types list can accept it. Okay, in this particular list we can create integer, string, float as well as boolean. Okay, so yeah, okay, thank you. Apple, 2 mango present in our output list also. Why? Because list is an allow duplicate values. So this is the syntax. Okay, so first thing I will show the example for how to create the list and how to confirm that our output is a list format. Okay, hello. Hello. Yeah, now it's okay, right? Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah, okay, fine. Sorry for that. Some network issue, so then only the live will be interrupted. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for your response. Okay, thank you. So we will continue the session. Okay, fine. So now I will show the example for. Yeah, okay, thank you all. Thank you. Okay, so now I show the example for a list, how to create the one particular list. Okay, so list. Yeah, I will give it as our name. So in the example is having fruits, right? So I will take a vegetables. So we can take the opposite format. Okay, so vegetables, I create a list as a square bracket. So that is tomato and potato, then onion, or again I will give it a tomato and potato, and next I give it as a chili, or okay, fine, chili. So now in this particular syntax we can say that, so we can say the rules of a list. Okay, so we list is a collection of item enclosed within square bracket, right? Now we can, our output is comes like a square bracket. Okay, it takes some time, wait a second. Yeah, so our output comes like a so we can say the syntax of this list. So the collection of item enclosed within square bracket, so automatically the output comes like a square bracket, and it's an order. So do you see that which kind of order I will give it as an input, same order will be maintained as my output also. and it's an allowed duplicate. So this is the tomato and potato, the two kind of vegetables comes to repeatedly. So repeated time the two vegetables will be there. So automatically this is accepted. So duplicate will be allowed. Okay, so this is the format. We can confirm that the list is an this is the list. So how can we confirm the list means, already in the previous session I already told the type of function. The type of function is using for to checking the data types. So which kind of type is there. So now the type of vegetable means, okay, so print of veg, and I run this. So first one, the list will be executed, then which kind of type is that. So list. So our particular veg variable is a list format. So this is the way we can create the list and confirm the which kind of data type is present here. Okay, so next one is accessing item in a list. So how can we access? So already we see the particular method. So in string format we can use, right? String methods. In particular string we can using the index number, we can find out the particular index value's position, right? Now in this place, so same procedure we followed. In string in string method, the index value will assigning like as a individual character. But in this place we can create in the item. So words, some kind of words or fruits name. So this place also each string have a one of the each string have one value. So apple is a 0th index, orange is a first index, banana is a second index, right? Yeah. So now I give it as a 0. So 0 means my output comes like an apple. So already we know this, right? Our string methods we will see this concept. So range is also same like that. We can mentioning the starting or the ending value of the index number, and output will becomes like a first index is having orange and end index is having strawberry. So our output is starting with an orange and ending with a strawberry fruit. So we can see the example for this. Okay, a wedge of 4. So my output comes like okay, how many times connected? Okay, so potato. Why? Because the potato vegetable is present in the 4th index. You see that tomato is a 0, and again potato is a 1, and onion is a 2, tomato is a 3, and in this potato is present in the 4th index. So my output is the potato. So I give it as a wedge is 1:4. So my output is a potato, onion, tomato. That's it. So you see that potato, onion, starting with the potato, because this potato is present in the 1st index, onion is the 2nd index, tomato is the 3rd index. The next potato is not present here. Why? Because of that potato is in 4th index, last value is a n-1. So then only this output, the last value is not executed. Okay. So next one is a change items in the present in a list. So how can we changing the items? So already I told that a list is a mutable, right? So how can we change the items means, based on the index number we can change that. So we can mention the variable name and passing the index number. So in second index value I will replace into the another value. You see that in second index banana is there, I will replace it into the pineapple. Banana is instead of pineapple, I will replace in the fruit. So in our example I can see this wedge of, I will give to the 3rd index, change as okay, which vegetable we can add. Okay, carrot. Okay, fine, carrot. So I will replace 3rd index is having tomato. So I am replacing the tomato into carrot. If I run this, so the value will be changed. Once we can call our variable, automatically execute that. You see that in this place the 3rd index is having tomato. I will replacing the particular vegetable into carrot vegetable. Okay, so this is the way we can replacing the value. Next one is the insert. Insert function is using for to adding the new item based on the particular index position. Okay, Kartika and Ashraf. So definitely we can send it to the attendance link in the end of the session. So don't ask now. So now the 6:20. Okay, so 6:45, 6:50 only we can share the attendance. Okay, so don't asking now, is interrupt the session. Okay, so now is a insert function. Insert is adding a new item based on the index position. So wedge dot insert of okay, I give it to the first place. I will give it to, sorry, the, okay, wait a second guys, right, in 0th index I will give to the new item, that is which one we can add. So anyone said which kind of vegetable we can add? So I can't think one vegetable. Kindly say one vegetable name. The interaction is better for our listening. Grapes. Oh, grapes is a vegetable. Harini? Grapes is a vegetable, right? Yeah, brinjal. Okay, fine. Brinjal and beetroot. Okay. Okay, fine. We can take give it as a brinjal. Okay. Yeah, drumstick. Okay. Thank you. Carrot already give it to that Nagavelli. Already we gave a carrot. Sorry, gave a carrot. Oh yeah, silent boy. I forget the WhatsApp group. So next session I will give it to the WhatsApp group link. Okay. So thank you for the reminding. Tomorrow also give it to the giving some reminder. Okay. So I forget. So now we can adding the new item as a brinjal. Okay. So again I will call the variable name. The output becomes static. Do you see that the new item brinjal will adding into the first place? In this list, the first position is tomato. So now we can adding the new item, that is brinjal, will adding as a first position, because I will mentioning the 0th index. 0th index is the first value. Automatically brinjal will be storing as a first place. Okay. So this is the syntax. Insert function using for adding the new item stored mentioned in our wish. So places we can mention. So which place we can mentioning the index number, we can add it that. So next one is the append function. So append is also same like a insert function. Same like a insert function, adding the new item. Okay, in this place. So what is the difference between insert and append means? Insert is we can decide the position of this particular value, but append is not like that. We can adding the new item add at the end of the list. Now we see the example for this apple, orange, banana. So the pineapple will be adding as the end of the list. So last value is then pineapple. Okay. So now I show the example wedge.append function. Append is adding the new item at the end of the list. So now we give it as the mushroom. So mushroom is the mushroom is also one of the vegetable, right? So I will adding that mushroom. So now I run this, automatically the mushroom will be storing no audio. Okay. Wait a second guys. So others, my voice is audible or not? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. So now I will adding the new item, that is mushroom. If I run this, do you see that the mushroom will be adding at the end of the list? So before you see this, the chili brinjal will be adding the first place, right? Yeah, okay. Srinivasa and Sunil Kumar. Okay, thank you for your response. Thank you. So mushroom is an same like a new item is adding our list, but in that particular mushroom adding at the end of the list. So that is the append function. Okay. So now So now we are moving to the next method, that is extend. Extend is to combine the two different lists, that is extend. So in this string we can see that one plus operator. So the plus arithmetic operator is using for combining the two different string. Same like that, extend is using for to combine the two different list. Okay, so this is the difference between string and a list. So already we have one list, so vegetable list. So we can using the numbers. So number is equal to, I create another list. So number is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, so now I create a new list, that is number list, and I will combine the two different lists. So number is a different list and vegetable is a different list, right? So veg dot extend of num. So this is the syntax for combine the two different lists. Yeah, thank you. So the WhatsApp group link will share into chat box. So Silent Boy and all of us kindly join our WhatsApp group. So if any queries, kindly asking that particular WhatsApp group, we will reply to you. Okay. So attendance link definitely we will share into the end of the session. So don't asking in between that. So once again I repeat it. Okay. So now I run this. So see that first the vegetable values will be there. Next the numbers will be there. Okay, so based on the position of the variable name, the the combined values position also changed. If I give it into num dot extent of veg means first the number values is there, then the fruits like vegetable values will be there. Do you see that? Was the numbers, second the vegetables. Okay, so it's so now the numbers and next was the vegetables. Okay, so next one so next one, sorting list. So sorting is that we can what is that, assigning our order our list values as a ascending order. Ascending order means A to Z value. So A to Z means already you know, right? So in our fruits example means apple is first, banana is second. So based on the alphabetic order, the values will be assigned. So okay, veg dot what is that? Yeah, sort function. If I run this, so it's sorted. Now I give it to the veg. So now starting with an brinjal. So brinjal is the first position. Next the carrot, chili, mushroom. Mushroom we can adding at the end of the list, but in this place it's going to the fourth place, right? Why? Because of it's in sorting. We can sort the values. That means we can assigning the values as alphabetical order. Okay, so this is the sort function. The sort reverse means the particular value will be flipped. So Z to A, the order will be Z to A wise. Okay, so next one. Yeah, you may show the slide continuously at the end of the class. Okay, sure. Okay, fine. So sort descending. So descending means we can, I already told this. So the values will be reverse format. So veg dot sort inside the bracket reverse is equal to true. I run this. So all values is presenting into tomato to till brinjal. Yeah, okay, thank you. So this is the way we can see the sorting descending. The next one is the copy function. The copy function is using for to get the duplicate values from the original list. That's it. So I will create another variable veg2 is equal to veg dot copy. So already we have veg original list. We can get the copy from that original list. So now I call the veg2 is a duplicate list. Okay, do you see that? So veg, this is the way we can copy function. Next one is a remove. So remove is using for to remove the item from our original list. So yeah, okay, veg dot remove of, I am mentioning the particular what is that vegetable name. So I remove the potato vegetable. Now I run this. So the potato will be removed. Okay, the remove function is using for to mention in the particular value name, automatically the value will be removed. So next one is the pop function. The pop is using for based on the index value we can remove in the item. So for the remove is using for mentioning the specific name of this value. Pop function is using for mentioning the index value of that particular vegetable. Okay. So now now I show the example for you, Riyas. Wait a minute. So veg dot pop function. Okay, so pop is a function. We can mention in the function name. Then we give it to the index value. For example, I will remove it in the chili. Okay, chili is a which index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chili is a 4th index. So now I mention in between the bracket, I will mention in the 4 number. Okay. So again I will call the vegetable variable name. Now the chili will be removed. In this number is using for index number. So based on the index number, we can remove in the particular item. Okay, so already I told that each and every value is having one of the index number, right? So in this place, the power function is based on the index number, the particular item will be removed. Cannot we remove using index? No sir, we can remove that. It's possible. So now I will remove that particular method. So yeah, next one is clear function. The clear is using for to remove delete the entire values. Prabha, why you mentioned your name in here? So if you share the attendance link, you will give it your attendance in that particular link, like Google form. Okay, so don't give in chat box. So now I will clear the vegetable like all values. Again I call the variable name is removing the entire value. This bracket is meaning for removing all values. Okay. So next one, okay. So this is the list functions. Okay. So next, I will reminding one thing. So we are offering into the internship offer. We are giving it to the internship offer. So in this particular internship, have 8 kind of benefits is there. So that is 30 days exclusive recording session is there. All PPT and downloadable source codes we will give it to you. And exclusive 7+ project codes and downloadables is available. IETE confirmation letter we will giving to you, and 90 days of LMS Course Access, assignment plus task we will give it to you in each and every session, and we can join VIP community and special updates are available. High valued IETE certificate and internship certificate we will provided to you. So these are all the internship benefits. If most of the people you will asking to me, so you share it your presentation and your source code. If you all want to you need the particular presentations or downloadables and recording videos means kindly join with our internship. We can give it to that. We will provide it in this particular internship. So in this particular internship registration fees 2,999, but our discount fees is at 799. Okay. So in this registration link, we will share it into the chat box. Share it in the chat box. Kindly check it to that. So it's a limited time offer. Wait a second. So tomorrow is the last date for this. So kindly join with our internship. Tomorrow is the last date for this particular offer. So don't miss this. Okay, so this is the payment method. So we will share the registration link in chat box. Kindly click the chat link. You can get it the page like this. So you give it your personal details and your name, mail ID. Finally you can give the pay. Automatically you can get all kind of benefits. Okay, thank you. So next we are entering into the next data structure, that is tuple. Okay, tuple is a collection of item enclosed in the parenthesis. The tuple is the same like as a list. So is no much difference between that tuple and a list. Okay. So it's, list is in collection of item enclosed within square bracket, but tuple is in parenthesis. Okay. Okay. My potato is not removed. Okay, I will show you. Wait a second. Okay, so now the remove is there. You can see the before cell. In this particular cell, we have a two kind of potato values, right? Two potato values is there. So we can using the potato value in the remove function. So the particular remove function we remove at the time we removing the single value only. So we have two potatoes. I will remove to the one. So automatically another value is presented, right? So if you want that particular another potato wants, you again using the wedge dot remove of same, again give it to the same potato value. I run this. Okay, yeah, so already I will remove. So now I run all that. Yeah, exactly, first potato will be removed. So now again I give it remove the another one. So again if I call this, okay, fine. Sorry guys. So this based on the collab, the cell wise is run that. Okay, so now you see that. So first the two potato values is there. First I will removing this first potato, then again I remove the second potato. So now you see the list, there is no potato value is presented. So the particular function, the remove functions, the syntax is like that, we cannot change the procedure, right? The remove is at the time is removing the single value only. We cannot remove the at the time multiple values. Yeah, okay, thank you. So next one is a tuple. No, Srinath Gupta. Yeah. So the Python is having one of the syntax. Okay. So the remove function is the fixed function. Okay, we cannot change that. At the time it's removing single value only. So if you want to remove all values means we can create in the another method, right? For example, the list is an allow duplicates. So duplicate values allowed means the how many values come to repeated time that presented here is not remove the all values at the time. Okay. So if you are asking for the single time, you remove the entire mentioned value, right? The potato will comes 3 times means at the one time the entire potato values will be removed. So this is the question, right? See if there is any other function is there means I will check it and give it say to it tomorrow. So basically the Python's remove function is at the time is removing the single value. It is not removing all the values in. Okay. So okay, nice question. Yeah. Okay, I will give an answer in tomorrow at the tomorrow session. Okay. So now we are entering into the tuple function. Tuple is a collection of item enclosed in the parenthesis. So all are same. So compared to list, both are same. The bracket only changes. The list is in square bracket, tuple is in parenthesis. And what is that? Yeah, and list tuple also same like as an order, is not changing the order and accept all data types. But what is the major difference between that? List is a mutable, tuple is an immutable. Okay. Okay, can we remove multiple items in pops? No, we can't do that. So now I show you. Okay. Wait a second, before that I will removing the clear function. Because of the pop is getting the only one argument, we cannot passing the multiple argument in particular function. Okay, if I again give to the fifth index, is getting error. You see that pop expected at the most one argument. If we give it a 2 or 3, is not getting output. Give output is getting error only. Exactly, Muruganandam. So it's take only based on the index value is removing the value. Okay. So next one is a tuple. It's Yeah, what is the major difference between list is in square bracket, tuple is in parenthesis, and list is in mutable, tuple is in immutable. This is the major difference between list and tuple. So already you know this. So accessing an item in the tuple, so 0 based on the index number we can access the particular item, and range of index means mentioning the starting and the ending range of the index number. We can remove slicing the values, and tuple are immutable. So immutable means changing elements in tuple is not possible. So we cannot directly changing the elements. If you try to, I will show you. Okay, we cannot create tuple. Okay, so first I create a tuple. How to create the tuple function? Okay, we can, in this place we can using the fruits. So fruits is equal to normal bracket as parenthesis. We are passing the apple, banana, and again banana, and apple, orange. Okay, so if I run this, fruits. So same thing, we can give a type of function is using for fruits. Type of function fruits is, I run this, tuple. You see that our fruits variable is contained as a tuple values. So next are others, you know, right? So now I show you the remove function. We cannot directly adding value or remove value because tuple is an immutable, so we can't do that. So fruits dot insert. I give to the insert function and adding the new fruit, that is grape, and again calling the fruits. You see the tuple object has no attribute insert. So that means if you give any function name, we cannot adding the new item at the list, tuple format. If you want if you want changing the new item means adding the new item means, oops, wait a second guys. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So if you want changing the adding the new item means you can converting the tuple into list. That is the one and only way. So I show you how can you convert the list into tuple. Tuple into list. Okay, so fruits tu is equal to list of fruits. So I run this. And again I will call the fruits to. So now the tuple is converting into the list format. How I said like that means you see the bracket. The bracket only is enough for that we can confirm that particular value. So all values is contained as a square bracket. So now we can do that function. So fruits to dot insert the new item, that is 1. So the first index I will adding the new value, that is kiwi fruit. So again I will calling the fruits to, you check that the kiwi is adding into the first index value, first position. Okay, so now once we can our work is finished means again we can converting into the tuple format. So same thing, so fruits, so same variable I will using in this place. So fruits is equal to tuple of fruits 2. Why? Because fruits 2 is a list format. I will converting into the again tuple format. So fruits and this, so the kiwi will be added, the values will be converting as a tuple format. So this is the thing. The remove function is also same like that. We can using the remove function, once we can converting the list and we can remove and again converting into the tuple. Okay. So next one, combining the two tuples. So how to combine the two different tuples means same like a string format, string method. So using the plus operator is combining into the two different variable name, and plus x plus y means x is one of the tuple, y is one of the tuple. We are combining into the plus, it shouldn't both are combined. So already you know this. Okay, so we don't have a time. Yeah, exactly, concatenation, same like a concatenation. So next we are entering into the set. So set is a collection of item, is a curly braces. So list is having square bracket, set is having parenthesis, same like a tuple is having parenthesis, set is having a curly braces. Then like that flower bracket is called as a curly braces, and set is an same like opposite with an list and tuple. Why? Because list and tuple is an order and accept all data types and allow to duplicate, but set is not like that. It's not it's an not defined order. That means it's an unorder. We can give it one kind of order. The order will be changed. So that is the unorder, and it's a mutable. Set is a mutable, and a duplicate is not allowed. List and tuple is allowed duplicate. So repeated values is that same. The repeated values will be allowed. Set is not like that. The duplicate values is not allowed. So I will show the example for the set. Okay, so in this place we are using which type of content we can take, like names. We can take the names. Okay, so names is equal to I will give into okay, fine. Okay, Shiva and yeah, like Raj Singh. If you want a presentation or notes, kindly join with our internship, then only we can provide the presentations. So Shiva and Ram and Rani, can give it to the Rani and Logesh. So I will give it a okay, we can give a duplicate values, right? So again I give it to the Shiva and okay, again give it to the Ram and adding the new value, that is Govind. Okay, so now I will print this names. If I run this, yeah, Mukund. Mukundan, okay, fine. So next time I will using your name. Okay, so I will run this. Do you see that my order is also not followed, and also my duplicate value is also not followed? You see that my order is Shiva, Ram and Rani and Logesh, Shiva, Ram and Govind. So this is my format. Do you see that? But order also changed. Govind will be first, and Logesh, Ram, Rani, Shiva, and Shiva and Ram comes two times, but is given to the single time. So this is the meaning of this set. Set is unordered and not allow duplicate, but set is a mutable. In next cell we can see that how is the mutable. You see that already we see the example for duplicates. Next one is add function. So add function is using for adding the new item. So okay, and names dot add function, I will adding the name, that is Mukund. So now Mukundan will be asking, so Mukund. So now again I run this, the Mukund will be adding in the second index. Okay, so next one is update function. So update function is to combine the two different sets, that's it. Okay, so already you know that, right? List is having okay, a list is having combine function, string is having a plus operator to combine the two different string. List is having the extend function to combine the two different lists. Tuple is also having plus operator is using for to combine the two different tuple. Set is having extend, not like the update method. Update is using for combine the two different set. Like Anita, already we share the attendance link. You check it in the pinned comment. The address link will be pinned into the top comment. Okay, so next one update, you know, right? I will show the example. So names dot update of, okay, we don't have another list. Okay, Priyanshi, no issue. So in first two classes we can take the introduction installation only. So don't worry about that. If you want that, means join with the internship. We will give it to a recording videos to you, so you can learn in that particular video using and accessing giving to you. Okay. So now creating the set value. Okay. Another set. So we can give a names 2 is equal to, I will create, that is which value we can add. Okay, we can take that commenting people. Okay, fine. Tom and Jim and Appu, and also we can give it a, then which name we can add. Okay, fine, this is enough for that. Okay, so now adding in this place also I will give it to the duplicate values, again Appu and again Tom, like this. Okay, so now I will give it to the names. Okay, names 2. So if I run this, oh, Pappu. Okay, fine. In next time I will using the Pappu and Jake name. Okay, so names 2, Sarayu. Oh, okay, fine. Next time I will take it your names. So names 2, I run this. Okay, oh sorry, names 2. If I run the names 2 means just executed the second set only. If I give it the names, that is the combined value. The combined value storing into the names variable. Do you see that? So Appu Govind. So in this two different set combining into that, they collapsed. That is not maintain the order. So unorder will be again prove it in this place. So Appu and Govind, Jim, Logesh, the two different set will be combined. Okay, so this is the method. So next one is a remove function. So already you know how to remove that. So we can mentioning the particular variable name, names dot remove of particular, mentioning the particular value, and I will remove to the Jim. Okay, yeah, Jim, and again mentioning the names variable. So do you see that now the Jim value will be the Jim name will be removed. Okay. Okay, so next clear, already clear also you know. So just give it a variable name dot clear function. If I run this, again I checking the set. Okay. So this meaning is the empty set, same like that. Okay, so next one is a dictionary. So this is the last data structure, so we can finish it in 5 minutes. Already we have at 5 minutes time. Okay. Okay, so we are entering into the, can we pass multiple items in remove? No, we can pass. We cannot pass. So do you see this? So remove also same like that. At the time we can passing single value. We cannot passing the multiple values. If another function is there or not, once I will check and I say set to you in next session. Okay. So we don't have a time. We are entering into the last topic. So dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of items. The dictionary is comparing with another data structures means it's totally different. Why? Because others is having a single items will passing at the same time. Dictionary is having the one key plus value. That is paired values. That is the dictionary. Okay, so dictionary also mutable, and the key value pairs will be added. We can adding, removing, and modifying the values. And dictionary also not allow duplicate. Duplicate value is not allowed in this particular dictionary function. Okay, we see that the fruit name apple is the dictionary is working like a question and answer format. The fruit name is a question. The particular apple is an answer for that question. Okay, fruit name is an apple. What is the price? That is 220. Okay, so based on the question answer format, the dictionary will be there, and duplicate values can overwrite. So once I will show the examples for how to create dictionary and how can we overwrite our duplicate value. Okay, so dict is a dictionary. I am mentioning the bio is equal to, oh, video is not visible. Okay, wait a second. No, it's working, right? So once checking your internet connection, so now my side is okay. Video is not visible. Yeah, okay, fine. So dictionary also same bracket, so curly braces. I will passing my name. Name is Shankar, and comma. Next one, age. So my age. Yeah, okay, thank you, Srinath Gupta, thank you. So age is 24, comma. Okay, male is true. So like dictionary is also accepted all kind of data types. Then I was showing like this. So my friend is Ronnie. Okay, then this is the way we can create the dictionary. Okay, so once I run this again, call the variable, like call the dictionary, is executed like that. So now I give it to the duplicate value. So age, again give it to the age. Age is 20. So give it as a 20, and okay, then name is Ganesh. So once again run this, you see the output for this. If I run this, so the name is an Ganesh and the age is a 20. Why? My first value is a Shankar, second value is a age 24. Why? The end value will be added. Why? Because of the dictionary program will be executed into the end of the dictionary. Okay, starting from the end of the dictionary. For example, first the name is reverse concept. That means the program will be executed in the reverse wise. So the first this name will be executed. So key name is common, but the value will be deferred. Then only the value will be overwrite. So first the Ganesh will be executed. Okay. Then it comes to the age value. So age 20 is executed. Again it comes to the friend. The friend Rani will be executed, and male true is executed. Again is what is that? Take that the same key name. So automatically the key name will be common, right? So then only automatically is executed. So age is 24. So the key name is common, then only the value will be ignored. Dictionary is not allowed duplicate. So based on this, the key name is common. So automatically is duplicate value. The value will be like that particular pair will be removed. So now we see that again in end of the dictionary, I will adding the another age, that is the 28. If I run this, the 28 will be adding in this place. Do you see that? So this is the example for a dictionary and also overwrite the value. Okay. So next one is all data types are valid. So already show this. So age, string, I'll show the example. So accessing item. So this also already you know this. Okay, if you need a fresh value, what we would have do? Okay, I will told you. Wait. So accessing also same thing. We can calling the variable, key name. Automatically the value will be executed. So this is that this function is using for only executed the key names only and the values names only, and both are executed only. Okay, if I give it to that bio dot keys means the keys name only executed. Keys name means name and the age and the friend, male and the friend. The particular keys name only executed. That is keys function. The values means the values name only executed. So for example, okay, Shankar age 20, sorry, Ganesh 28 true and Ronnie is there. And items means bio dot items means the both are executed. That's it. It's not take a different thing. So check values. Check values means we can passing one kind of key name that is present our dictionary or not. So that is check values. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Bharat Raj sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for your feedback. So if I check this one, so if I mentioning the friend, my friend is present in my dictionary or not. Friend in bio means if the condition is true, automatically the value will be print statement will be executed. Yes, she is there. You see that the friend key is presented in my particular bio thing, but like bio variable automatically is executed. Yes, she is there. So next one is a changing item. So now who is that? Like Taj, Tashiba, you asking, right? So this is the way we can changing the item. So we can mentioning the particular key name, we can changing the value. Okay. For example, bio of, I will mentioning that my key name. For example, if I changing the male, key name male is, is equal to, I give it to the false value. First I will give it to the true, now I give it to the false. So again I check the bio. So the name Ganesh age 28. Now the male is considered as a false. The false will be replaced. The key only replaced. Okay. So next one is update method. Update is to changing the update is using for adding the new value. Okay. So bio dot update. Okay. Update of weight. I will adding my weight. Weight is 64. If I run this, again I check the bio. So already Vaibhav, the time is passed. The time is 6 to 7. So I'm not finished the content, then only I take that. So now the weight will be added. The update function is using for adding the new key value pairs at our dictionary. Okay. So next one, copy dictionary. Copy already you know. So we can passing our original name and we can get the copy. So nested dictionary is using for to create the another dictionary from the inner presented dictionary. Removing item is using for same like that. Yeah, exactly. Update is using for adding the value at the end of the dictionary. So remove item same like that. Dot pop function is using for mentioning the key name. It's removing the value. So bio dot pop of mentioning the age. So it's removing the age. So this means the age value key will be removed. You see that? And the next one is a pop item. That is the pop items using for to removing the end of the value. So same like as a append function to removing the end of the value. So my end value is an weight. So now the weight value will be removed. You see that? Name Ganesh, male false, and friend Rani only there. The weight also is removed. The clear function is same like that to clear the entire value. So again I will call the bio, automatically the empty dictionary is there. So this is the way we can create the data structures and understanding the data structure concept. Okay, I hope you will all understand. If you have any doubts and queries is there, kindly contact this number. So our branch is Semancheri branch. So you contact this WhatsApp number or contact number. Yeah, so now I give it to my mail ID also. If you have any queries, kindly contact this number and mail ID. We will reply to you. Okay. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much. We will meet with the next session. Yeah, thank you, Harini and Tachiba. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Dilli Rani Govindarajan. Thank you so much. And yeah, thank you, Likita and Agastya. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, Muruganandam and Vaibhav. Thank you. Yeah, good night. Thanks a lot. Thank you.